Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. As much as long as we are in the national teams matches and there is no leagues, no clubs for now, we will play a ticket with some of good matches. The first match, Kazakhstan versus Norway. Kazakhstan will score under, okay? Keep that in mind. And one goal. They either score one goal or they won't score at all. Lithuania versus Cyprus. Total of goals in the match. The two teams will score at least 2 goals. The third match is Belgium versus Israel. Belgium will win. And Iceland versus Montenegro. It's gonna be double chance. Either Iceland will win the game or they will draw. The last match will be France versus Italy. Italy will score at least 1 goal. Okay? The total amount is this. If you play it with $100, you will get $1,000, $121.09. It's an easy match, an easy ticket. Take care of yourselves and see you.